Good morning, children. We have come to the end of the chapter, so I'm going to continue chapter 2 long and short. Please open page 21 of your textbook. Page number 21. This is the question which is given. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table, write the meters or kilometers. Okay, so let's take an example. You can find from your friends how far they live and then you can put their name. So I'm just giving you an example. Suppose you say, suppose you have a friend A who's for example 5 kilometers away from the school, and you have friend B who's 400 meters away from school, C 1 kilometer 500 meter from school, D around 10 kilometers away, E for example, you can take any example whatever you want according to your maybe 700 meters away. You can find from call your friends and find from them, okay, or you can just put accordingly maybe 3 kilometer 450 meter, something like this. We have completed our table. Now let's see what is given in the question. Who among you lives nearest to the school? So you will see the smaller unit, that is meters, and which lives nearest. 400 meters smallest, isn't it? So who lives nearest? B. So your answer will be B. B lives nearest to the school. Who lives furthest from the school? So you are going to take the higher unit, that is the kilometer, and which is the greatest number on kilometer, that is 10 kilometers, isn't it? So who is furthest from the school? D. D takes maximum time. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? So you are going to find less than 1 kilometer. That will be all the meters, that is this 400, that is B is less than 1 kilometer than anything else, which is this C is 1 kilometer 500 meter, it is more. Okay, E is also less than 1 kilometer. So these are the two friends who live less than 1 kilometer away from school. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? Let's see. 5 kilometer. A is exactly 5 minutes. They are asking more than 5 kilometer. So D is 10 kilometer is more than 5 kilometer, and F is less. So your answer is there anyone who is more than 5 kilometer away from school? How do they come to school? So yes, D is lives more than 5 kilometers. How do they come? They come by car or bus, whatever. Okay, so this is some of the application in real life which you can find your friend and complete this page in your textbook. Let's see the next page. Page 22. Open. Here there are some questions given. Try to find out which is the highest building that you have seen. Children, I think the highest building which you have seen must be Burj Khalifa. That's the skyscraper in Dubai. Okay, about how many rooms high was it? You can say approximately 900 residents live there. So something like that you can find out and write. Okay, next question. How high was a kite? Can a kite go? Can it go higher than Qutub Minar? Okay, kite can go about 100 meters high. So yes, it can go higher than Qutub Minar. How high can a plane fly? A plane can fly more than 10,000 meters high. And can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? Yes, of course, it can fly higher than Mount Everest. Have you ever seen clouds below you? Children, when do you see clouds below you, you all must have seen that is when you are flying high above in the sky by aeroplane. So that finishes your chapter. So along with this video, I have uploaded an activity worksheet. You have already made, children, you are going to make an activity, separate activity worksheet copy, where here this activity either you can draw if you cannot print out, or you can get a printout. Write activity number 2. This is the second activity of the chapter which you are going to do. Write learning objective and learning outcome. So I'm just going to tell what you are going to do in this. First question is, color the picture that is tallest and circle the shortest one. So you are going to see in each figure which is the tallest one. That figure you are going to color, and the shortest one just circle it with any color of your choice. A, B, C, D, you are going to follow same thing. In the second question, draw a line below with the help of scale that measures. So you are going to draw lines according to the measurement which is given. Like A, it is given 5.5 centimeter. So you know how you have to place your scale and draw a straight line. Okay, and it should be measuring, it should have a measure according to the given question. 5.5 centimeter you are going to draw here. Here you are going to draw 7 centimeter, then 3.5 centimeter, then 12 centimeter. Each you know how to draw it very well. So you are going to draw here in the worksheet. Next, in question number 3. This question, to find double and half. Here you are going to measure the length of the object which is given according to the scale which is given here. Okay, so you can just see here the first one, A in the figure, first one, if you see, it is nearly 12. It is nearly 12 here. Okay, I'm just going to tell you one. It is nearly 12. If you see here, it is nearly 12 centimeters. So what is the length of the object which is given? Here you will write 12, and then it is asked to find half of this length which you found right now. So you're going to find half. You already know how to find half. To find half, you have to divide by 2. So you are going to divide this by 2 and you get your answer out here. Similar way, you see here what is the length. You can take it approximately 1, 2, it is 6. Okay, 6 or 6.5. Okay, you can take it approximately either 6 or 6.5 or 7, whatever. Okay, and then write the measurement here, and then you have to find the double of 6. So to find double, you already know that you multiply it by 2 and then find the answers. Okay, so similar way you are going to do A, B, C, D. Now there are 2 boxes blank which I have given. So you are going to take any object which is there around you, measure it and write. You have to draw the figure out here. You will draw the figure here. Suppose for example, if you are want to measure your pencil box, so you can draw your beautiful pencil box here. You can design it, color it, then find its length and write the length here, and then find half of it. Any two object you can draw and find its length, measure it length and find half and double, whatever asked in the question. So this activity worksheet you are going to complete it. That finishes your today's class. Thank you very much.